Welcome back to my kitchen. You know, when you say Italian cuisine, it usually conjures up images of tomato sauce and pasta. But on today's edition of Kitchen Guy, I'll show you one that doesn't have any of that at all. It's flank steak tagliata. I've got a 2-pound flank steak sitting in a sheet pan here, and I'll liberally salt it and then grind peppercorns and rub it into the meat. Now, I've got some rosemary leaves that I stripped from sprigs of rosemary, and also some sliced garlic, and I'm going to press that into the flesh, and then some olive oil, and then get a nice olive oil massage. Now, I've preheated my oven to 450 degrees, and I've had my cast iron grill pan heating in that 450 oven. Now I'll lay in the flank steak and cook it in the oven for about 5 minutes. Now carefully remove the steak from the oven and flip it, and then cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes for medium rare, about 6 or 7 minutes for medium. When the meat's finished cooking, let it rest on the carving board to let the juices redistribute. Then carve it against the grain and then put it on a serving platter. I've got it garnished with some radicchio and some lemon wedges, and now to finish, I'll just shave some fresh Parmesan cheese. Oh, it's going to be delicious. And you can get the recipe by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.